This is our report. The topic is soil microorganism activities. So there are the number one is organic matter decomposition and nutrient cycling, nitrogen, chorus, breakdown of toxic compounds. Number four is nitrogen fixation and solubilization. And number five is plant protection, disease suppression. And number six is the last number, release beneficial soluble substances such as sugars, alcohols, hormones, and other organic
Composition. Complex organic compounds are decomposed into simpler forms resulting to mineralization of essential elements. And productions of humus, sugars, starches, and proteins are easily decomposed. Cellulose, fats, wax, and resins are slowly decomposed. Line in decomposition is very slow. Number 2. Nutrient cycling. NPS, nitrogen cycle, ammonia volatilization, nitrification, denitrification, immobilization, mineralization, and leaching. Thank you.
And transformation. Nitrogen fixation, the reduction of atmospheric nitrogen gas N2 to ammonia. This can be done by highly specialized groups of microorganisms and the presence of the biological nitrogen's fixation, conversion of N2 to NH3. So there have the example. First one is symbiotic. An association between a higher plant microbiome and a microorganism beyond to acquire N from atmosphere. Rhizobium, Regium, symbiosis, and Azolla. Symbiosis. Enters the root and develop within the cortical cell without forming nodules. Number 3. Free living, the organism exists in an independent state without symbiosis with plant and fix nitrogen directly for its own use. So, nada na to makita ang example. Thank you.
It is one of the important processes in nitrogen. It is the elements that needed for living organisms. There are many ways or lain yung formal the locations is asam magis in nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen fixations, it is a bacteria nga nasa yuta, the nitrogen gas N2 ngadto sa ammonia NH3 nga mogamit sa mga tanom. Nitrifications is ang uban bacteria sama sa Nitrosomas Nictobacter mo convert sa ammonia nga padulong sa nitrous NO2 dayon maato rin siya sa nitrous NO3. Assimilations is tanom nga masuyop siya sa nitrates. Ammonifications is tanom sa mga mananap nga makapatay. And then denitrifications is sa mga uban bacteria nga makonvert sa nitrates mobalik dito sa nitrogen gas. This process is helped to balance and the nitrogens can support to grow the plants. That's all.
And the next part is immobilization, the process by which microorganisms or plants convert inorganic compounds to organic compounds, making them accessible to plants. Mineralization is the opposite of immobilization. So, mineralization conversion of organic in to organic mineral in term. So, there's an example. Sa yuta nga naidahon nga apakapak sa microbio, nagmobilize sa nitrogen kay gamit nila kini sa ilang pagtubo. So mao nga dili dayon magamit sa tanom. Pero human sa pila ka adlaw, kung mamatay ang microbio, magsugod ang mineralization sa nitrogen. Ug mahimong balik nga inorganic nga magamit sa tanom. That's all.
Aminization, hydrolytic decomposition of proteins, unreleased animized and amino acid. Monophysation refers to any chemical reaction in which its two groups are converted to in its form, result of the breakdown of organic matter such as dead animals and plants, of waste materials like excrement decomposition. Example, the enzymatic breakdown of dead plants proteins by Bacillus subtilis bacteria into amino acids for the microbes' energy needs. Next is leaching, loss of nitrate through moving water, greater in coarsest textured soils and under high rainfall. Leaching is reduced if there is a vegetation. Example, the movement of nitrate into groundwater. Nitrate is a onion negatively charged onion and is repelled by negative charged soil particles, so it remains the soil, water, and easily carried away by percolating water.
Phosphate solubilization, mechanism of solubilization, secretion of organic acid. Enzyme production, TA, excretion of sideropose that can chelate the metal ions and form complex, making phosphates available for plants uptake. Solubilizing bacteria, Pseudomonas, Bacillus rhodocus, Atrobacter, Serratia, Cyanobacterium, Pylobacterium, Azotobacter, Xanthomonas, Enterobacter, Pantosa, and Klebsiella. So, mo ni sila ang magpagawa sa mga organic acid or kanang ginapagawas nila.
Sulfur transformations. Mineralizations is the kusyang organic molecules nga mahimo siya simple inorganic sulfur compound. In short, sulfurs become available for plant. Oxidations of sulfide and sulfur to sulfate. Thiobacillus and acetylbacillus convert into sulfur sulfate. or in short, it releases sulfur gain oxygen. Reductions of sulfate to sulfide. Pseudomonas, chlorotinium, disulfiram, fruit use and reductions. It is sulfate losses oxygen. Microbial immobilizations is mugamit sa sulfur para mawala or ang sulfur is restored in the soil. Disease suppressions is Bacillus megatherium versus Rhizoctinium solanum. It is help fight the same fungus. Pesticide degradations, and it is a surface sunflower disease. And how to fight the bacteria. The process is a breakdown of toxic compound. If we say breakdown, we must fight or gubaon na to ang mga toxic. Next, facilitate pesticide degradations is dapat is magdalion na bitaw siya ang pagguba sa pesticide. Detoxifications is harmful. It can be harmful or harmless. Degradations is a complicated or simple. Conjugations is chemical structure is strange. Activations is non-toxic for the defense. So that's all for Group 3 report. Thank you.